How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, if today is your first time seeing my videos, please consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm gonna be making chickpeas moi-moi. I have been seeing this recipe on YouTube for some time now. First of all, I saw it with Flo Chinyere. Okay, so she does Nigerian meals and she lives in, I think, Spain, somewhere in Europe. That's where she lives. Okay, and she does all of these incredible meals on her channel. So I saw her use chickpeas for moi moi, and I was like, how would that taste? So I saw somebody else also did chickpeas moi moi. I was like, wow. And I have chickpeas at home, but I've not had the time to be able to carry out that experiment to see how it actually tastes. So here, guys, we have the video here today. Okay, so this is the chickpeas over here in the water. I soaked it overnight. Okay, so I'm just going to drain out the water out of it, then blend it with my peppers. So this is the red bell pepper frozen. I just brought it out. I have 2 habanero pepper here because I want it a little spicy. Okay, so here I have mackerel fish which I've already cleaned, and I have 1 medium-sized onion here. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be using moi moi leaves for this chickpea moi moi recipe. Okay, so I'm just gonna try it and see what it looks like. I've eaten chickpeas before, but only in salad. Okay, most people use it as a salad. One of the components they put in their salads, chickpeas, a healthy kind of salad. You know what I mean, guys? So today we'll be making moi moi from it. So let me go ahead, clean out this one here that's already soaking, blend it up with the peppers and the onions, and we'll get start cooking. Okay, so guys, stick around with me if you want to see the outcome of this. So I'm here now trying to clean it out. It looks clean anyway. So get my extra bowl, It smells like soaked beans. It smells like, your beans when you soak it. That's what it smells like. So like I said, I soaked it overnight. So I just want to clean it out just in case there's any sand or any dirt in it. It looks pretty clean though, just a little bit. I'm just going to clean it out for the second time, guys. It smells exactly like soaked beans. I hope the outcome is great, guys. So my fingers are crossed. So this one is clean. Then I'm just going to go ahead and clean the peppers and also the onion. Okay, so guys, I have my blender here now. Okay, so I'm just going to take some of the chickpeas, as much as this, okay, not too full. Then put some onion and the peppers. Then I'm just going to take it to the blender and blend it. So guys, what I noticed that it has skin just like our regular beans will have its own skin, but from the videos I've watched, I didn't see any of them take out the skin. For us, when we want to make moi-moi, we take out the skin, right? I see it has skin, but they don't take out the skin out, so I'm just gonna do the same like in the video I watched. Just blend the chickpeas as is without taking out the skin. Okay, guys. So I just want to inform you guys that it has skin. Okay, when you soak the chickpeas, it has a skin just like our regular beans. Okay, so very important for you to know. So guys, I've finished blending it and this is what it looks like. Okay, actually it smells just like beans. Okay, it smells like beans. Yeah, so because I didn't take the peel off, so it looks so very thick. So I'm gonna be adding more water to it. Okay, I'm gonna be adding more water to it. Okay, guys, so now let me go and boil the fish. So while I'm boiling the fish, I'm also gonna be prepping the leaves, the moi-moi leaves I'm gonna be using to cook these chickpeas. Okay, guys, so for the fish I'm gonna put a little bit thyme, a little bit onion, also a little bit of salt, just to allow the fish to get boiled. Okay, so hold on for me, guys, stay with me. So guys, here we are. This is the blended beans, this is the moi-moi leaves. Okay, I've already cleaned it out, washed it. I got it from my freezer. Okay, and you will say, oh Lux mom, you live in America, how did you get moi-moi leaves? I bought these moi-moi leaves last year summer when I went to the UK, okay, for vacation. All right, so I got this and I kept it in my freezer. I've been using it bit by bit. I still have a little bit more left. Okay, and I didn't only buy moi-moi leaf, guys. I bought a whole lot of stuff because people in Europe, they get fresh stuff almost like daily. Okay, because they're so close to all Africa, so they get all that thing. So traveling from the US, 12 hours, oh my goodness, by the time you got here most of your stuff is already spoiled. Okay, so I use that opportunity anytime I go to Europe or UK. I just buy them and also bring them over here with me. Yes, I'm spending a little bit more, but at least it's something that keeps and I can use it for some time. So that's just it for that. So let's go now and mix this chickpeas, is it batter I will call it, the blended chickpeas. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some salt, I'll add blended crayfish. This blended crayfish, I mixed it up with my the prawn, the big prawns. I take out the head and I blend it and I use it separately. Okay, so this is just what you have here. And I'm gonna put one Maggi crayfish into it. I'm gonna crush it out and put it into it. So this is the stock for the mackerel fish that I boiled. Okay, so put that there. So guys, you're just gonna put all the ingredients, then you mix. Okay, make sure you mix it very well. If you feel it's too thick, you add some water to it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. Then I mix it gently. Then you can taste for salt. If the salt is enough, go ahead and start wrapping it in your leaves. But if the salt is not enough, add more salt. Okay guys, I think I'm still gonna add more water because I don't like my moi-moi too thick. Okay, I think I like the consistency now. I'm gonna add taste for salt. So after you taste for salt and the salt is good, then you add some vegetable oil to it. Okay, some people use palm oil in their moi-moi. It depends on what you want. Okay, just your preference. Okay, so now you mix. I always like to taste for salt before I put the oil, because sometimes when you add the oil then you now taste for salt, you don't really get the feel the salt in it, and you don't want your moi-moi to be salty. Okay guys, so I'm gonna keep mixing and mix it very well in it. Okay, then we'll start wrapping it up. So guys, after you finish mixing thoroughly and the oil is completely incorporated with the chickpeas, so you pour in your fish. I've cleaned out the fish and I've deboned it. Okay, took all the bones out completely, and you know there's always one bone that wants to stay in there, so just mix it up with it completely. Then now we can start wrapping. Okay, so guys, let's get wrapping. So guys, over here is my pot. I wasn't able to get a lot of the stock from the leaves, so what I'm going to do, I only got a little bit and I put a little bit water in the, so in that case I'm going to look out for leaves that are like these, that are completely dried out or almost dried out, that I won't be able to use. Okay, I'll just use them like so. Just put it at the bottom of the pan. You can put as many leaves as you can find. Here I have maybe like 4 or 5 of them, so I will just put it at the bottom of the pan. Okay, so nothing goes to waste. At least, you know, my moi-moi will have something to sit on. Okay, so guys, when you want to start wrapping, you get a big one, a big leaf like so. This leaf is big enough. Then you can get a small one like this, put it in the middle, then you make like a cone. Okay, make sure the bottom here is a little tight. Okay, make a cone. Then after you've made the cone, hold it like this and bend it to the other side. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. I hope you can see. It's gonna be like this, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a measuring spoon, so you know, and pour it in. Give a little bit space so that when the it starts to cook, it will rise. Okay, so you go like so, cover it, go to the other one, pick it up and bend it like so, and you put it in your pot. Okay, all right, so I'm going to continue doing that for all of them. Let me do one more. Okay, so you can get a hang of it. Like this, you go like this, like you're making a cone. Okay, and make sure it's a little bit tight down here. Then you bend it like this. You get your batter, put it in, go like this, take the other one, take another one and bend it like so. Okay, so I will continue doing it for all of them. When it's ready, I put it on the fire, you know, put on the stove and cook it for like 45 minutes to at least an hour. You continue checking it until it's cooked and you know your moi-moi is ready. Okay, so guys, I have 2 pots here. Okay, cooking, I didn't want to put everything in one pot. Okay, so what I did, I took extra leaves and I put on top of it. Okay, so from time to time you have to check it, because you are steaming and you don't want it to get burnt. Okay, from time to time you check it and put water, in it, okay, because you steam it with a little water at a time. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so I just put that extra leaf to cover it. So this is the one I did second, this is the one I did first. So yeah, it's still cooking, it's not completely um cooked. Okay, so I've cooked it now for I think 15 minutes, so I'll continue to check it, just to make sure it's not burning, and the water is still in there. So guys, the moi moi is ready now. Okay, so this is all I got from a 1 pound bag of chickpeas. Okay, so this one already allowed it to cool, and now we're gonna open up and see what it looks like. Okay, so let's open it up, guys. Can you see? It looks just like moi moi you make from beans, and it smells exactly the same way. Okay guys, I tasted not one but two of it, and it tasted delicious with that spice and the fish in it. It tasted absolutely delicious. Just that for me, the texture is a little bit different from that of the beans, but you will enjoy it all the same. Okay, so guys, if you have not tried this chickpeas moi moi, please go ahead and do so, because you will be really surprised. Okay, so thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you for watching even up to this time. Okay, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Also, do not forget, turn on the bell. That will let you know anytime I upload a new video. So till I come your way next time, take care now. Bye bye.